Hi everyone, in this short video I'm just going to show you how to create a drag and drop activity using the GoConquer website. Once you've registered and logged in, you'll be taken to this dashboard area, and to create a new resource you just click on Create, and then you've got different options here: mind map, flashcards or quizzes. We're going to create a little quiz using a drag and drop option, so we'll just click Quiz there, and you'll see that we've got an option to put in the title. First of all, we're actually going to use an image of a horse's skeleton that a colleague in equine studies has asked me to use, and we're going to use that as a basis for labelling activity. So we'll come back to this panel where we add some tags and a description. We'll come back to this later, but for the moment we'll just save the title, and you'll see we've then got on this screen we can then start to insert some questions. Now we've got a whole range of different question formats that we can choose from, which is excellent. We're just going to choose the option that gives us enables us to upload an image and to create a drag and drop feature. So we just put in the question actually is an instruction, which is label the parts of this skeleton correctly. Correctly. And then we can upload the image, okay, which I've got ready here. So we just click on Open and it loads up the image there. If we want to start to insert the little hotspots that we need to place on the image, you'll see we've got a little crosshair here. So if we just click there, it puts a little gold spot there, and we just need to scroll down and then add in the little label that we want students to drag up to that hotspot. So I think the correct answer is this one, thoracic vertebrae. So we just click correct there, and then just scroll down and then click on the save option, and that will save the image and that little label. And then we can go ahead and add another hotspot here, for example. That's an easier one. That's called the sternum, I think. So we just click correct there, scroll down, and then click on save. So that's how you go about adding hotspots, adding the labels. If we look at the top here, we've got an option to preview the quiz just to see if it all works, and I'm just scrolling down, and then we can just click on these little labels here, and we can see that that works. So if we just click on the little X here, that will take us back to the editing panel. You'll see here a little arrow which enables us to publish the resource, which means it's then available for us to share with other students. If we just click on the share option there, it prompts us to publish the resource. So we just click on Publish Now, and then you'll see here this is the original information panel that we were asked to complete when we began to create the quiz. So we just need to add some tags, which are little keywords that people can use to find this resource in the GoConquer library of resources. So we'll call this anatomy, or horse anatomy, equine studies, and terminology. Okay, and then we'll just put a little description which will enable other GoConquer users to close that email down, to find the resource. And so we'll call this a labelling task to practice the use of anatomical terminology, and then just click Save and Publish. Okay, so that then brings up this panel, which gives us different ways of sharing the resource. We've got a couple of embed options here. If you've got like a Moodle or a VLE, you can, if you copy these codes, you can then embed the resource into your VLE or Moodle. If you just want simply to share this resource with a colleague or student, you can just double click that and copy that that URL, that web link. So that's basically how you create a drag and drop activity using the GoConquer website. Hope that's been useful.